Hey guys, Shamo coming back to you with a brand new video, and in this video we're going to talk about how I took a store to $12.9 thousand in sales in just 11 hours. So how I made almost 13,000 US dollars in 11 hours. Now I'm in Canada, so that 13K was a little over 17K Canadian for all my Canadian viewers, which is pretty good. My website was a general store. The reason why I do general stores is because it allows me to test multiple products without being limited to a certain niche. The theme I was using was Shopify Booster theme. Now these are the apps I had on my store. I had 5 different apps. The 5th one I'll talk about later on in the video. And for now, let's talk about these 4. The first one was Free Persistent Cart app. When customers log in across multiple devices, they will find their cart waiting for them. So what this did was, let's say I had a customer on my website and they were to add a product to their cart off of their phone. If they abandon the checkout or they forget to, check out and buy the actual product, if they go onto my website from a computer or a laptop, the product will still be in their cart, so they don't have to go searching for it on my website, which saves them time and it makes the checkout flow much more easier for them. The second app I had on my store was Klaviyo. This is just an email marketing app that I use to retarget people that abandon their checkout, subscribe to my email list, or purchase the product, right? And just, follow up with customers, try to upsell them on different products. The third app I had was Luke's. This is just a simple review app. Every customer that bought a product off of my website, a few days later, once they received the product, I would email them. This is all automated, by the way. They would get an email asking them to leave a positive review on the product page. So they would go back and, if they had a positive review, they would leave one. And they could leave like a rating, star rating, and just, it's like a review app on your website. The fourth app I had was an SEO Optimizer by Booster Apps. This optimizes your SEO for free so that you can rank higher on Google searches. And this is actually a great app because you don't have to pay an SEO agency to do it for you. It's all free, so it saves you money and time. Now this was the layout of my product page. I had that statement at the top, crazy sale, final day before the price goes back up to $59.95. And that was like the original price that I had it on, and I obviously had like a discounted price. It was like 50% off. And then I had a 5-sentence sales pitch, 5 to 7 sentence sales pitch. What you want to do here is think of it like this. Let's say you were to walk into a room full of people. What would you be saying to sell that product to them? Right? Underneath that I had a GIF. Underneath that I had the first benefit in point form, then a GIF again. The second benefit, GIF again, third benefit, and it ended off with a GIF. The GIF is just so you can display how the product is being used, the final result of the product, and it's like a video inside of an image, which is wonderful. Now marketing, I test products using Facebook ads, so that's where I tested this product on. Day 1, I tested it using a $30 CBO. Within the CBO, I had 3 ad sets. There was 3 interests in each ad set, all the same interests across the 3 ad sets. So let's say one ad set had the 3 interests that were dog, toy, and pitbull. The other 2 ad sets were carbon copies of that same one. So they were all the same ad set. Day 2, I put those interests into an ad set level with a budget of $20 a day. There was 6 ad sets per interest, right? So there was 18 ad sets in total at $20 a day. That was $360 plus the $30 CBO that was still active because it was profitable. So day 2, I was spending $390. Day 3, I scaled the ad sets that worked to $40. If 40 worked, then I went on to 100. 100 worked, 150 to 250. Now here comes the scaling part, which is obviously the best part. After a week and a half, a little bit closer to 2 weeks of testing, I started using Facebook custom audiences for retargeting, right? And I did this for view content, add to cart, people that initiated their checkout, and people that purchased, right? I would retarget them with a discount code so that they can buy if they haven't bought, or if they want to buy more, they can with this discount code that I presented to them using retargeting. I also did this thing at the same time as I did the retargeting. I started doing lookalike audiences for view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchases. Lookalikes obviously have a lower cost per purchase, which this is when the higher profit margins started to kick in. Another thing I did was email marketing and SMS marketing. This was what I was talking about on the app slide. I didn't include the SMS marketing up until this page over here. I put it on here. That's what I meant to say. I built an email list and phone number list to run flows through campaigns for free sales. So just like email marketing, I did text messenger marketing, which was all automated so that they can buy the product if they haven't, or they can buy more if they already bought, and just different ways to increase your average order value to, once again, increase your profits. Now, if you found any value from this video, it would mean the world to me if you could join my free Facebook group. I'm trying to build a community, a team, a Shopify Scalers team. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.